Today we've got some big news for the Jasmy coin price, because right now in this short and quick update video, the Jasmy coin price recently broke above this important level of resistance right here, and now we are pumping towards the upside. So in this video we'll be talking about what this breakout means for the Jasmy coin price and what we could expect next for the price in the immediate short term. So without wasting any more of your time, let's begin by starting off inside the daily time frame shorts, and then later on in the video we'll move to the longer time frames to discuss my long-term outlook. But here we are in the daily time frame shorts, and big news, especially if you're holding Jasmy coin right now, because if you take a closer look into the charts right now, we are pumping really hard towards the upside. And the reason behind this pump is, we have actually discussed this in my previous video. For Jasmy coin, we said the Jasmy coin price is being squeezed between this support zone and between this resistance trend line. We are being compressed between these two important levels right here, and eventually the price would have to make a decision on which way it wants to break out of, either towards the upside or towards the downside. We said a break below the support zone could lead to a significant drop in the price, but a break above this resistance trend line could lead to a nice pump in the immediate short term. And that is why we're pumping really hard right now, because we broke above this important level of resistance, this resistance trend line, and therefore the price has reacted strongly towards this breakout, and we had a pump towards the upside. It was even followed by a significant amount of volume right here. So things are looking good so far for the Jasmy coin price. Right now though, be cautious and be careful at this exact level right here, and that level is at around 0.0318 cents. Look out for this level right here. As a matter of fact, the Jasmy coin price is right now finding resistance at this exact level, because this was the previous swing high right here. But if we do successfully break above this level, we could see Jasmy coin continue to pump towards this blue zone, which is the next resistance at around 0.0384 cents. So yeah, right now just be cautious, because we find the Jasmy coin price trading at a resistance level, and from here we could just continue moving towards the downside, potentially having a retest of this trend line before continuing the move towards the upside. So I'll closely monitor the shorts in the next couple of days, but the big news right now is that we have broken above this resistance trend line. That is great news, because we have broken the bearish structure of forming consecutive lower highs and lower lows. So it is nice to see that the Jasmy coin price is finally breaking the bearish structure by having a break above this resistance trend line, and now we're pumping. So far things are looking good, but the moment we do see Jasmy coin break above this white line right here, that is when things may start to flip bullish, because if we do that, we will be forming a bullish structure by breaking above the recent swing high. So in the short term, things are looking good for Jasmy coin, and it has turned out that the Jasmy coin price has indeed respected this critical support zone right here, and the bulls have truly taken over. So in the short term, things are starting to flip bullish for Jasmy coin. Many indicators are also starting to flip bullish, such as this one. We talked about this potential bullish cross right here in the MACD as well. So there are multiple indicators starting to flip bullish for Jasmy coin, and that could be an early signal of a potential price reversal towards the upside, and this could be the potential end of this downtrend. So we're going to be closely observing the charts in the next couple of days, and I'll be sure to provide timely updates. But right now, so far, everything's looking good. Now let's talk about the longer time frames and discuss what we're expecting in the long term. Also, a quick word from today's sponsor, Cryptonomy, because today they've got a huge announcement. Cryptonomy has just recently launched a news channel on Telegram where they publish key financial sector information daily. This is extremely useful for active traders and for those who want to stay updated, and you can find the link to the channel in the description of their community chat marked as market updates. Also, with the recent market crash, now is not the time to get shaken out, because other people are using this chance to diversify wisely to minimize losses in case of a prolonged correction, while other people are taking advantage of this opportunity by building up their crypto positions in case of a sharp rise in the market, which is what all experienced traders are expecting right now. Also, if you guys are wondering about how much our account has made in our deposits, well, here they are. So for Internet Computer, this is how much this account has made so far. And for USDT, this is how much we have made as well. This is for Bitcoin. So yes, our account is growing so far. And for the Launchpool, this is how much this account is making so far in our deposits, as you guys can see right here. So for some people, this strategy may be useful, especially in the current market conditions where everything is crashing to the downside. Some people are using this opportunity to stake their positions and through that increase their positions as well. This platform is really useful, especially if you want to look to increase your positions and stake your assets. This platform offers you those services and it's pretty much an awesome platform overall. So the links are in the description. Cryptonomy also offers live support chat 24/7, and users will also be able to convert collateral assets of their deposits or contracts at any time, which is also beneficial for those who actively manage their portfolios, allowing them to earn passive income daily without being tied to chosen assets, as this platform provides flexibility. Like any other sponsorship video, before you try out any platforms, a quick disclaimer: be sure to do your own due diligence before trying out anything. And back to the video. So now we are in the longer weekly time frame charts, and if you're going to take a look at the structure right here, the structure still looks perfectly healthy because we have been consecutively forming higher highs right here and higher lows for the Jasmy coin price. And if the low was already marked right here, if this was the low right here, that would be very, very bullish for Jasmy coin because we haven't broken below the recent swing low. Therefore, we have maintained the bullish structure by also forming a higher low right here compared to the previous one. So everything is looking healthy in the long term actually, and there is nothing that particularly concerns me structure wise. And right now, if the bottom was marked right here, if this was truly the bottom, that's going to be looking very healthy for Jasmy coin because now it looks like we're ready for the next leg towards the upside. That could potentially bring us to the next major target at 0.071 cents, which from the price we're at right now, that's going to be about a 130% pump towards the upside. So before we could reach that level though, before we could reach that price target, we must break above this recent swing high right here, which is at around 0.0398 cents before we could proceed towards the next target right here at 0.071 cents. So look out. Yeah, right now I'm personally looking out for this recent swing high right here as a major resistance zone because there is a chance that we could get rejected from here and that could be very dangerous. So yeah, that is why a break above this recent swing high is going to be extra bullish because if we do flip that to support, we could now move towards the next major target in the long term at 0.071 cents right here. And that is, again, about 130% pump towards the upsides. If you're wondering about my bull cycle price prediction for Jasmy coin, well, we are targeting a 0.5 cents to $1 Jasmy coin in this bull cycle, which would place Jasmy coin at around a $15 billion market cap, which is about a 10x return on investment from the price we're at right now. So again, these are my targets. We are targeting a 0.5 cents Jasmy coin to $1 Jasmy coin in this cycle. And the targets for other people may be different from mine. So I want you guys to comment down below what is your personal target for the Jasmy coin price in this cycle. And yeah, in the long term, everything looks good so far. If this was the bottom, then that will be looking very, very good for Jasmy coin because we have still maintained the bullish structure by consecutively forming higher lows and higher highs. So there is nothing that concerns me. The only moment I would be concerned for the Jasmy coin price is if we do see Jasmy coin in the next couple of days break below this recent swing low. That is when I may start to look deeper into the charts and I would start to get concerned. But for now, if this was the bottom, then that is pretty bullish and there is nothing that worries me. In fact, this looks bullish in my opinion. And also, if you guys are looking for a group or a community of like-minded individuals who are seeking success in this market, be sure to join my private networking group over on Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you are missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.